Hi, I'm DJ with Pro Action. Today, I want to run through with you the anatomy of a Pro Action shock. A couple external adjustments. We can adjust our spring tension here. Clockwise is shortening the spring, making it stiffer. Counterclockwise, extending the spring, making it softer. Our adjustment on the bottom, that's your gets both compression and rebound control, is basically a free bleed control. So clockwise is going to make it stiffer on the compression, a little bit slower on the rebound. Counterclockwise is going to make it softer on the compression, a little bit faster on the rebound. The other thing is the bumper internally. What this does is when it's pushed to the bottom, it keeps the shock from hitting metal to metal when it's completely collapsed. And we also use that as a tool to tell us how much of the travel we're using. That's the external adjustments. The little bung here, that's where we fill it with nitrogen. That's nothing that you would adjust or mess with. That's something internally at the shop that we use as we're building the shock. Now internally on the shock, spin that apart real quick. Remove the spring. And again, this is the shaft of the shock. So when we tell you a long travel shock, we're measuring the distance of the length of the shock. So you have this much working suspension. This is a 12-inch shock. Our 12-inch shock has 3 inches of shaft travel. So from here to here is 3 inches. Your stock 12-inch shock is only going to have 2.1. So we're actually picking up some extra travel. And when you hear us talk about extra travel, more working suspension, that's what we're talking about. Internally, we have a heavy-duty seal head, heavy-duty dust wiper for long life. Then the secret sauce internally, this is your piston. This is where the oil flows. So when a compression stroke, the oil comes down through out the bottom. We use a 3-stage valving. If you can see, there's 3 little breaks in the valving there. That's a low-speed compression, the mid-speed, and the high-speed. On the top, the rebound is a 2-stage rebound. So it's real, once you're at the bottom, it keeps you real slow at first, then speeds up as you get through. Now, as we're turning the clicker on the bottom, internally there, we have a jet and basically a rod that goes up through there. So as you're turning this clockwise, it's pushing the rod up. Counterclockwise, it's dropping the rod back down. As it's moving, it's pushing this pin through that hole. So we're going to push it up. Internally, it closes the flow off. Bringing it down, it opens the flow up. So that lets the oil go down through the center here, bypasses the piston and the valving, and comes out down here. So that controls how fast we let that oil flow. That's why when we close the oil flow off, it's stiffer. When we open it up, it's softer. So that's the basic workings of the Pro Action shock. That shows you what's internal and what we're dealing with as we work on them.